Finding the working coupon codes for Take 5 Change All is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can find the working coupon codes for Take 5 Oil Change. Well, the process is pretty simple. We will go to different type of website. First website that we will go is called as Hot Deals UK. Now, Hot Deals UK website is obviously limited to UK, so you can actually get these coupon codes right here on this website. Just go to Hot Deals website and then search for this Take 5 oil change, and you will be able to find all the coupon codes. Just click on the get coupons, and there you go. It will show you the coupon code. However, there are other websites as well according to different region. Another website we will talk about is called as WorthPenny. So just come to worthpenny.com and search for Take 5 oil change, and you will be able to find all the coupon codes right here. If you want to see any of the coupon codes, just click on the show coupon code and it will show you. Now, another website that we will talk about just in case if both of these websites are not available to your region, another website called as Dealsporter. Just come to this website, which is dealsporter.com, and search for Take 5 Oil Change, and you will be able to find a lot of discounts and deals right here. Suppose this is a deal you want to avail, click on view on Amazon and it will take you to the Amazon with that deal. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.